Hey there, today at Bennick Auto Sales we have a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. I believe it's the LTZ. Jury's still out on that. It's either the LT or the LTZ. It's got really nice rims, got lots and lots of tread left on the tires. The truck is in immaculate shape. Bottoms of the doors and the rockers are in nice shape. Leather's nice. Air, cruise, windows, locks, adjustable pedals. I have to hop in here for the mileage. It's only 134, I believe. Let's find it here. $134, 103. So nice super mileage. Auto lights, four-wheel drive. There's the Z71. Again, everything's in really nice shape. The seats do fold down if you want, and you can extend the bed that way. It does have the rear controls for the stereo. Again, everything's really nice on this truck. It does have the toolboxes, one on each side. Again, everything's really nice on this. Has the backup sensors. Rubber mat still in there and in good shape. Again, there's the other toolbox with the jack in it. Same thing, lots of undercoat on this thing. It's excellent. Power seat here as well. It does have the original book. So if you're looking for a beautiful truck with low kilometers, this could be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471. And this is Noah from Bennick Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.